Namaste. Today I am back again with another vegetarian dish. Ganesh Chaturthi is coming. So for 10 days we have to have vegetarians. So now we have to come up with varieties because एक ही चीज तो बार बार नहीं खा सकते. So today I will teach you something with parvar or parval, what we call. This is not so popular among the South Indians but very much popular with the East Indians or we Bengalis. But everyone, please do try. It is yummy because we call it potol posto and we mix nuts in it also. So let's get started with the recipe. Let's get into the ingredients of the potol posto, a pure vegetarian dish without any onion and garlic. Now the parvar, which is not so popular in South India but very popular in Eastern India, you just scrape it like this, just scrape it, okay, and divide into two. And those which are overripe, cut the skin deeply, otherwise scraping is enough. And the other ingredients which is required is the poppy seeds, white mustard, coconut powder, tomato, one tomato is good enough. This is a panchphoron and some sesame seeds. Now from those ingredients, I have taken this white mustard, coconut, poppy seeds or khaskhas and a handful of peanuts. This is already fried, and 2 chili. I have made it into a paste in my mixie and it is like this. Let's first fry the parval. I have taken 2 teaspoons. Now in this parval, I will be giving only salt and haldi. Add some haldi and salt according to your taste. Now fry it for 10 minutes. If you are in a hurry, then you can deep fry this parvar also. But I like to fry in less oil, so it will take time for me. 10 minutes is over. Now I'll take it out from the pan and keep it aside. Fry it 60%. Don't fry 100%. Why? Because after giving poppy seeds and everything, it will get boiled. So it will get too soggy. So fry it and keep it aside. Now let's start the cooking. I will be giving 2 spoons of mustard oil. For this recipe, mustard oil is compulsory because only then a nice aroma will come. So after this mustard oil is hot, I will be giving this panchphoron. After this panchphoron, you remember what I have made a paste of this poppy seeds, nuts and the white rye. Now add this one. Stir it. After stirring it, add 50 ml of water. You take the residues from your mixie. Why waste the poppy seeds? Now add the tomato paste. After this, add the fried parvar. Mix it well. At this point, you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a stir so that all these masalas of poppy seeds, mustard, nuts, everything goes inside the parvar. And then add another 50 ml of water. Give it a stir and cover it and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. See, it's boiling. It's 5 minutes. It's boiling now. Now I'll cook for another 5 minutes. The sabji is done. See, the oil is leaving the karai. That means now it is time to switch off the gas. My parvar with poppy seeds, coconut and mustard is done. Serve it by sprinkling some white sesame seeds from the top. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, then please subscribe, share and put comments in my comment box. Thank you. Hi friends, today I'm up again with a pure vegetarian dish without onion and garlic. It is called potol posto, or like parvar we call it in Hindi. This is very useful as we are having lots of pujas and fasting. So during fasting days you can enjoy it with paratha or puri.